Hey everybody, Mitch Roth here, Regional Proprietary Agronomist with Farmers Business Network. In this video, I want to highlight another benefit of uploading an invoice to FBN.com. When you upload an invoice, not only do you contribute data to the network to help other farmers shop smarter, shop better, and save money, but FBN now turns that invoice into a shopping list and an opportunity for you to save more money on that same program next year. So when you upload an invoice, we scan that invoice for the products purchased, the volumes purchased, and we translate that into what active ingredients are in those products, and we provide options that you can buy from FBN.com that match or very closely match that product that you purchased. And we calculate potential savings all along the way and keep track of it right up here at the top. If you're a cash buyer and prefer to see cash prices, you can just toggle this little button here and see the cash prices, and the savings improve even more. In this example, I'm going to show a few products that were purchased by this customer with the active ingredients. You can see what the average price per gallon is or price per pound is of these products. Again, driven by our pricing transparency tool and invoice contribution from farmers in our network. And then we provide options that are available for purchase from FBN.com. So in this case, not an exact match, but we can match one of the active ingredients in there. Maybe that's suitable for this customer in this case. In other instances, we do have exact matches where the active ingredient is the exact same in the same concentration. So in those cases, we grab what volume was purchased and tabulate how much you'd have to purchase from FBN to get that same amount and what the cost would be. When there's savings to be had, we tell you how much you're saving as well. So here's another example of the same active ingredient, same concentration available from FBN.com at 46% savings per gallon. And so we tell you that with each individual product and keep track of it up at the top to help make organizing your chemistry list for next year easier than ever. If you think this is a useful tool, I encourage you to upload an invoice to FBN.com.